Let's have a look at the word сім'я. This sign is an apostrophe. It separates the hard consonant from the mutated vowel, so it doesn't soften. Let's have a look at the difference that it makes. Мя, м'я. Бя, б'я. Ме, м'є. And now let's read some words with apostrophe. Ім'я, об'ява, м'яч, 5, 9, комп'ютер, м'ясо, п'ятниця.